Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to be doing a video on the John Deere I Match for all your Category 1 attachments. Alright, so I bought this John Deere 3025E tractor many years ago, and I didn't get the I Match immediately, but after a couple days I went back and got the I Match. It's well worth the money to hook up all your Category 1 attachments. Okay, so this is your John Deere I Match right here. If you bolt this on, it's going to go ahead and take all your tools on and off very easily. In fact, you can do it with one person. Alright, so just to show you how to operate your I Match, it's as simple as pulling up this lever here. And pulling up this other lever. Okay, and you can also do it from sitting on your tractor. You can just turn around and do it like that. That's it. That disengages your attachment, which right now I'm using a box blade, and I'll go ahead and show you how that comes off there. Okay, so we're going to crank up the tractor and disengage this box blade. Okay, so just to show you how you attach your I Match to your tractor when you buy it, the green part's the I Match. There's a pin, cotter pin, and a pin to pull out here. There's one down here, okay, and then there's one over here. And so to hook up your I Match, it doesn't take much. And then sometimes you got to level it out, and you just take your crack that nut, and you can spin this up or down if you need to adjust it a little bit. But that's all it is to hooking it up. If you don't have the I Match, you're hooking up every attachment to this, and this every time. Okay, so you got to back up to every attachment, sometimes two people, and you got to hook all that stuff up every time. It takes a long time, probably a good 15 minutes. Where if you just have the I Match, you're done in 10 seconds. Okay, these things are compatible with all your Category 1 attachments. They run about $400 retail. So now I'm going to go ahead and back this thing up and show you how easy it is to hook up this box blade. So there you have it. That was real time. It's just nothing. It's so easy. So I wouldn't buy the tractor without the I Match, because you're going to be going back and getting it if you don't, unless you just like take an extra 15 minutes to hook up your stuff. I'll show you some other tools that are compatible with the I Match next. Alright, so just to list a couple of your attachments, not limited to, but we had a rake, and the rake was I Match compatible. We had a bush hog, that's I Match compatible. We got this flail mower here, this was I Match compatible. This hooks up to your front, and I've got a video on all these attachments. I got different videos if you want to check them out. But that goes on the front, this goes on the front. Okay, the plow is not I Match compatible, and it takes 15-20 minutes to get this thing on there. So it is not. Of course, I doubt very many people are going to be needing a plow. Okay, so the things that are not I Match compatible, you're going to have to take the I Match off to hook them up direct. But there's not too many. There are a few. Like I said, the plow. Okay, we've got a PhD 100 post hole digger. This is not I Match compatible. You're going to have to hook this up directly, and it takes a few minutes. You got the tiller. It's I Match compatible, and those are just a few things I have. I'm sure there's a lot more attachments that are I Match compatible, maybe a few that there's not, but all of that stuff, it's back up, drop your box blade, hook up your next thing, keep on going. It's just that easy. So there you have it. That's the John Deere I Match. It's inexpensive and it'll save you a lot of time. If you're going to buy a tractor or finance a tractor or whatever, throw the I Match in there and you will be glad you did. I'm Kevin with Naples Lawn Service. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe to our channel. We'll have a lot more videos coming out.